I think it's recording. Okay, so today is May 3rd, 2019. And Michael here has been working on a top secret project. And he said that what if space was the thing that was moving instead of the starship? And no one could think like that. So he has created this god-awful creation here. Filament on the inside, that's the warp drive system right there, and has to go through the ion exchange column where it is now properly ionized. And in here is the molecular rearranging system. Notice all the wires. So there's a plasma magnetic rotational device inside of here where it suspends it in a magnetic field, and then it drops down through here after being induction heated and now is coming out. I wish we could get a better, there you get a better focus. So, history in the making. Not sure what kind of history, but it's still history. Oh, this is a carbon fiber, in case anybody wants to know. So, yeah, don't try this at home. Here you go.